As you see, got something in my tire, so I'm just going to show you real quick how to plug it. Step one, take the bolt or the nut, or it looks like in my case maybe a screwdriver, an Allen wrench, I'm not sure yet, haven't got it out. Take it out with a pair of pliers. Then you take your reamer, you ream the hole over and over and over again. You take your plunger you put one of your rope plugs on it, and then you plug it in. You put some of that rubber cement stuff on there that'll kind of glue it together. If you don't have some of the rubber cement, you can just do super glue or even Elmer's glue, any kind of glue just to help it set, and then you'll end up cutting off the rest. So I'll show you how to do it. The idea for the reamer is to make the hole big enough for this to go through, which I do believe we're good. Thread the needle. About halfway, somewhere in there. Take some of this. In reality, you're just putting some on there. Like that. You're gonna pull the reamer out and put the plug in. Right there. Take your knife, cut off the excess. There's the excess. Alright, so now you know how to do it. Basically, once that's in, you're good to go. You go ahead and air your tire back up to the proper pressure, which is, I don't know, depending on your car, check it out. It should be on your door. Mine's probably about 40-ish, and I will double check and air it up. Have a good one.